Okay guys, so I'm just going to do a quick video here. If you ever have to take a fairing off or you're putting one back on and all right here shatters out of your fairing, I have a real quick easy fix for that. What I do is I take a set of rubber grommets, well just a rubber grommet. I put my rubber grommet on first, and then I use usually a black washer, because you don't see a black washer here. But this is the only washer I have for today, so I'm going to use this one. And you just put it over the top of the hole. And you just line it up with your clip in the back. And then you can just tighten it up. And like I said, when you use a black washer, you won't see any of this. So you just slowly keep turning until it turns in tight. And then don't over tighten it. You just want it to be just nice and snug. So this is just nice and snug, just like that. So it'll hold it in place. If like I said, if this is black, you'll be all good. You know, actually loosen that off of here. Perfect. So it'll work in a pinch, and it'll stop you from having to change a whole fairing, which is a real pain in the butt. All right, guys. So that's our video.